this video, I will explain to you how to make your own mini generator by bike. This is a Honda Shine bike. So, this is engine part of Honda Shine bike. In this part we have AC generator fitted. In this video I will explain how to convert this is a generator. Watch full video, useful content. Friends, we need one switchboard and let's use one LED light. Friends, in this part we have AC generator fitted. This is a cable. If you want to get latest videos, then like and share, subscribe to our channel now. Thank you for watching.